BLK Live is a free application that can be used on Android or iOS platform that allows us to connect remotely with the BLK2GO in field. Once the application is started, we can select the menu at the top right side and create a new connection. Selecting BLK2GO as a model, then entering serial number and password, or scanning the QR code. Once paired, all we have to do is to create a new job and start a new scanner. In the setting menu, we find several options. We can choose a low, medium, or high scanning density to already filter the point clouds during the acquisition phase. Image compression to reduce the required storage space. Select Press and Go option if you want to initialize in dynamic mode instead of using double stand. Once the scan is completed, we can check the data from 2D Cloud or 3D Cloud, or alternatively start a new acquisition. BLK Live allows us to see the path of the BLK2GO in space in real time and therefore understand if we have acquired all the data necessary for post-processing in Office with Expert Office Fusion. All scans are already recorded within the project folder, which will be easily recognizable when imported into Expert Office Fusion software, from which we can also post-process the scan trajectory.